of Jagannath, Dhammarudham, Hare Krishna.
अच्छा हरे कृष्ण।
This one.
हाँ दम्मारुदम का। बोल भाई जल्दी बोल, अरे पैसे बैठना।
मैच चल रहा।
Where is from?
किराया
500. Where you can see.
500 रुपये किराया है एक टिकट 500 रुपये की है।
यहाँ घूमने की?
हाँ, you can see all around there.
यहाँ ऐसा क्या है भाई?
The rest of them I think are inside though.
Yeah, well.
The big main.
When you have festival over here, if you would like to observe the festival, then come in the golden window. You can take a nice photo of the beautiful peacock window. Male and female. And those two lines, they are guarding against the evil. And line is a cross between Bahan and Bajuna. Male and female. If you want to do a picture in between two lines, then I can take a nice photo. But since 16 years Nepal it becomes republican. But now many people they want to reject monarchy. Constitutional monarchy, the personal government and political party is too much corruption. Yeah, too much corruption. With gold and silver. इसको बोलते हैं राज सिंहासन।
राज सिंहासन।
Restored palace. That is also fall down by the earthquake. It was restoration by China government. China helped to rebuild. It looks very scary to go up. No, China they copy from Nepal, but they just help to give us money to rebuild.
Chinese Japanese हाँ।
And you can imagine of the carving. It's teak wood, T-E-A-K, teak.
Teak.
Botanist name is called the Soria robusta. That is during the festival of the Kumari. When she was going to sitting in her chariot,
Here.
the people are going to pull and drag her chariot, then she goes to make a tour around in Darbar Square. It's protection from evil and demons, and lots of diplomatic people they also participated to see her festival.
सब मिलते हैं।
अभी मत दियो, नीचे से दियो। यहाँ से दियो। बदलने वाला है।
उहाँलाई घर खर्च चलाउन निकै अप्ठ्यारो भएको छ। श्रीमती र बालबच्चाको पालन पोषणमा पनि अत्यन्तै गाह्रो भएको हुँदा आफूले सक्ने सहयोग गरिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। सेवा नै धर्म हो। आदरणीय आमा बुबा दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, विष्णु प्याकुरेललाई मोतीबिन्दु रोग लागि पूर्ण रूपमा हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। सेवा नै धर्म हो। आदरणीय आमा बुबा दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, विष्णु प्याकुरेललाई मोतीबिन्दु
एक 10 की दिवाली खत्म हो गई वो। कहाँ जा? ले ले।
Hello friend, how are you?
Good yourself?
I'm very good. Very happy.
अरे
कैसे फिसल गया? हाँ 5,000 का हाथ। हाँ
हाथी की जगह वो घूमने वाले ही मिलते, इससे बढ़िया जो ऊपर मतलब।
थैंक यू। गाड़ी खड़ी है फिर कूदा तो गोपाल के यहाँ खूब मिलती है, 300-400 रुपये, ये देगा कई हजारों में। वो एक छोटा था 5,000 का बेच रहा। मेरी बातें करने लगी वहाँ पे।
बातें यहाँ तो अच्छा मम्मी का नेटवर्क भी नहीं चल रहा है, नहीं तो फोन पे ही दिखाती वीडियो कॉल में सबको।
Was dedicated to Vishnu. It was built in 17th century.
इसमें है अभी
It was collapsed in 2015. In 2015 in Nepal we have big earthquake. Yeah. The restoration just 3 years ago. You can see bricks are very new. The last big temple name is called the Majudega. Temple was dedicated to Shiva. But in English we also called the Hippi temple, where people stopped in Ganja forest in 1960 until 70. That time most of the European, American tourists, they come to visit over here. They are going to sitting around here. It has a 9 platform. They are sitting around there going to smoking, playing music. I heard that time Jimi Hendrix, Bob Marley also been here.
Okay.
But from 70 government make it illegal. So from that period we give a nickname as Hippi temple. But we have sort of Devanand, Dam Mara Dam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Please come here, sir.
दीदी को कहाँ है? अच्छा अच्छा कहाँ है? नीचे पापा के पास है।
This white building is also part of the palace. It was built in 1908. Building was imitation from Europe, especially from England. It has so many holes. It is crossing by bricks of Union Jack. But Nepal is always independent, never colonized. Nepal is one between two borders, China and India. When British colonized to India, they tried to colonize to Nepal, but they cannot succeed because they escaped from the Gorkha soldier. Even in India, they have a Gorkha regiment.
Yeah. Raja.
They are very warrior, and that is the golden chariot of the Kumari.
Okay.
In September, she was going to sitting on her chariot. The people are going to pull and drag her chariot when she goes to make a tour around in Darbar Square. This was it. From India? Yeah. The big bull. More than 100 people, they are going to pull and drag her chariot. Please watch this place.
मेरा फोन कहाँ
Just look at the flag. This huge statue is called a Garuda.
गरुड़
विष्णु का वाहन बोलते हैं ना, गरुड़ा. Garud, yeah. It's made from one single stone. This one is survived by the earthquake. It doesn't fall down. And last temple, that is one of the oldest temple of Kathmandu Darbar Square. Temple name is called the Kasta Mandap. Kasta means wood. Mandap means house.
कष्ट मंडप।
Yeah, in English we
अपने
call
पास
it
ये रहा तेरा
wooden
ये
house.
है। अच्छा तेरे इसमें से देख ना ये रहा।
Please
मिला
don't
तो है।
waste your ticket, otherwise you cannot get inside palace. Wooden house. It was built in 12th century. It's 800 years old. Temple is made from out of one single tree. From this temple, it becomes Kathmandu. From Kastamandap, people they make a mispronunciation. Kastamandap, it becomes Kathmandu. That building given name as Kathmandu. But that is also collapsed by earthquake. To a restoration, you can see tiles on the roof are brand new. And if you climb over there, you can take a nice photo. You can make a panorama. The Hippie Temple, Garuda, Kastamandap Temple. And this one is called Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Better to go up there. You can make a panorama.
टाइम क्या हो गया?
If you want to be in a picture in front of the Hippie Temple where you have sort of Devanand, just stand there, I can take a nice photo. Which place for you? I will start from the Kumari house. Very cheap.
पापा ये अच्छा है।
I'll explain to you all.
You are moving with us?
Yes. If you want to guide.
How much you will charge?
1,000 Nepali.
हाँ ये जरा सा 300 का।
पिस्टल है आपको
बनता नहीं है दिविज का बच्चा।
मेरी भी बना दी है वीडियो अकेला अकेला।
सब गिरा
Please watch your step and mind your head, okay?
ओके
Look at yourself.
बचा के आई हूँ
You can call me Ram. My name is Ram. When I will explain, if you cannot understand, please let me know.
हिंदी
Okay?
में बोल लो,
For me, it's better in English. Now.
कोई बात ही हम समझ जाएंगे।
So, have you heard about the living goddess of Nepal?
नो
So, live girl, we respect her as goddess. ये दुर्गा के अवतार बोलते हैं ना?
ठीक है ठीक है
She is coming from Buddhist families. She is goddess as Hindus, mixed. In Nepal, major population are Hinduism. Nearly 75% population are Hinduism, 20% are Buddhism, 5% are pure. But Buddhist religion is not a religion. It's kind of philosophy that is going to survive. And Buddha was the ninth incarnation of Vishnu ka Nava Avatar. When she's age of 4, we select her as goddess.
ओके
At that time, it looks like a beauty contest. More than 30 little girls, they participate to be the goddess when they are aged between 4 to 5. That time we have 3 different priests. One priest from Buddhist we call the monk. One priest from the royal palace, Raja ki Kuldevi bolte hai na. And one priest from the south. Those 3 priests, they pick up one girl. Those priests are going to check in her horoscope by the astrologers. If she is perfect in everything, I mean 32 different types of character. At that time, in front of little girl, they are going to sacrifice 108 live animal, bali, goat and water buffalo, only the male one. She must have to watch that animal sacrifice. If she was going to scare, if she is not able to watch, she cannot be watching that animal sacrifice.
The Ganeshi hai.
देखो कैसे ऐसे
कैसे होता है?
ऐसे
Terrifying dress on their body.
दिखा.
Then they are going to dance around the world.
ऐसे और ये ऐसे ही फ्लावर बनेंगे और ये
After passing the heart test,
Ball बन गया. Wow.
और
then
ये
we believe
और ये
300
300
Okay.
300 Indian people 450
But she is not allowed to stay with her parents.
I mean
Only her parents
I
will
mean
come
Nepali.
to her whenever they want. She was going to take care by the priest family. More than 15 people they take care to her. They look after her. And you can see her 2 times in a day. In the morning 9 to 12, at evening 4 to 6. Time to time she come in window. But at that time you cannot take a picture of her. You just say to her namaste. Between 12 until 4, our government provides for private instruments. In that time we have a golden chariot for her. We are going to sit in that chariot, we take a beautiful and drive her chariot when she goes to make a tour around in Darbar Square. And second is goddess until her first period, menstruation. When she is not more any goddess, when she got a normal life, she goes back at parents' house.
Then they choose another one.
Another one, from center to center. But now we have new Kumari, sir. Now we have new Kumari. She was the previous one. She already retired. New Kumari is just 3 years old. We don't have picture of her. But new Kumari, we cannot see her. Because now she is sleeping. And this house is 300 years old. It looks very new. This house is survived by output. It doesn't fall down. It was painting every year during the festival of the Kumari. And these are the teak wood. T-E-A-K, teak. Yeah. You can take a picture. If you cannot understand, please let me know. And here you can see star. The sign of David. Have you been in Israel? Israel flag is a star.
Yeah.
But in Nepal, is goddess of wisdom, Saraswati. And this is also logo of our university.
Okay.
पूना में कागज हमको हमें क्या पहन के देते क्या पहन के देते हाँ एलोवेरा ऐसी सील लग रही
What about ऊपर क्या है वो? ऊपर क्या है? What is?
Just the room, wooden carving. This main museum is closed, and that is called the New Road, where we have lots of shopping complex.
Which one?
That state road behind the statue is called the New Road.
New Road.
And Nepal is very famous for the Pashmina scarf. You know the Pashmina?
Pashmina shawl.
Yeah, it's from
That's
the
not
mountain
Pashmina.
goat.
Pashmina is from Kashmir.
Kashmir, it has mixed with the silk and wool.
Okay.
But
This
in
is
here,
pure.
Pure.
Pure Pashmina.
Yeah.
तो बहुत महंगी होती है.
Some depend on quality. If you want to check, then I would like to see it.
नेपाल की शर्टें वर्टें.
Pashmina. Not less than 20,000.
No, no. Some are 2,000, some are 1,000. Depend on quality.
You won't be getting the Pashmina at over 1,000. ये क्या बेच रहे हैं वो?
It's souvenir.
Souvenirs बेच रहे हैं.
Yeah. And that one is called a freak street. It's like one hippies heaven where people goes to buy the hashish, gaza, chores.
You can get it from here.
In 1960.
At present.
But still, people they keep asking.
Okay.
But from 70 government make it illegal. That's why we have a hippie temple. Only white Paris and then French. white one, this was influence from England, what I told you. But main museum is closed. It was under construction. Please watch your step.
Okay.
Under construction.
हाँ. Yes.
ये वो है नेपाल प्रजातंत्र शुरुआत.
About the Maoist war. The history of politicals of Nepal. He is the King Gyanendra. Now he is a present king of Nepal. When he was age of 3, he already be a king of Nepal. And after killing Virendra, again he was going to be a king of Nepal. And again people want to be back to him.
Okay.
As a constitutional monarchy.
फ्रेंच लोग भी आ रखे हैं फ्रांस से. देखो ऑफ हो रखा है. एक्सक्यूज मी, नॉट वीडियो. हमें इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आती. हमें इंग्लिश समझ ही नहीं आती. हमें
So these are like import from England. You can imagine of the carving. You cannot take a video, you just can make. This one was especially using for the seminar. The diplomatic people. It was built in 1908. The building was imitation from Europe, from England. It's called the Gagdi Baita. And those are the pictures of the King of Nepal.
अपने घर में भी तो ऐसे झूमर लगा है.
हाँ. एंशिएंट चीज़ें.
स्लिपरी.
आ गए भाई बाहर.
So from here you can get a nice picture. The Hippie temple, Shiva temple, Vishnu temple, last one is Kasta Mandap. And that one is called Shiva Parvati. You can make a panorama as well.
Now you are.
And you want to check the painting? It's called Thanka Mandala. You want to check Pasmina?
No.
And I hope you enjoying in my tour.
थैंक यू.
You're welcome.
शूज वगैरह कहाँ मिलेंगे? शूज.
Like this? You just go straight, old bazaar, old market. Behind the small Pashupati temple. What I told you before.
अभी तो कह रहे थे दिलवाओगे, देख लेते हैं क्या रेट मिल रहा है क्या.
तो जल्दी सस्ता पड़ा मिलेगा.
In here also very cheap in local market.
पैसे दे.
इनसे खुलवा लो पैसे.
तू तो अगाडि को देखि जानु न.
तो बस सेटल.
और तो 180 रुपये.
180.
नहीं इसको तो
Okay, have a nice day. This way, sir.
Where we can वो नेपाली करेंसी.
In money exchange. You want to go? I would like to show you.
Yeah.
These are for sacrifice, Bali. Durga temple.
Can we get that amount in market also?
Yeah, you can use the same money. It's 1.6.
चला भाई. Thank you.
You're welcome.
ये उतारते हैं इनका ये टूर।
बहुत पैर लगा दी तेरी माँ ने। वहाँ कितना खर्च कर रही है? 1000? क्यों 1000 से कोई इंडियन लेगी? 1000 के वो ले लिए अब नहीं वो 1000 का वो वर्ष 2000 500 के वो
500 का क्या?
हमारी कीरी
वो मैंने ना लिए वो कीरी। अरे मेरे खर्चे
2500
पैसे हो गए पैसे
1000 के खर्चा 5000 एक दिन में
सेल 250 का क्या है?
दिखाओ देखो सही कैसे जूते नहीं है ना मेरे पास ढंग से। एक ही जोड़ी जूते हैं वो भी मेरे जुम्बा रखे रहे हैं।
ध्यान रखियो कैसे आए थे कैसे जाएंगे
वो तो वीडियो में पता चल जाएगा कहाँ कहाँ गए थे। वीडियो में देख के पता चल जाएगा कहाँ से गए थे।
वहाँ पे मिलेगा
वो जो वाइट वाला था वो
ये वाले ये कार्ड से देने होंगे वापस।
हाँ यहाँ से तो हमने देखा था भैरव वाला। कितने कबूतर हैं
अब बनाए भी थे यहाँ के कुछ बना रहा।
पैसा लगा
आज पता क्यों इतनी भीड़ लगी है भैरव अष्टमी है 12 तारीख को।
अच्छा मैं कह रही हूँ देखो कॉर्नर यहाँ पे क्या है
क्योंकि सबको अपने घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर लगती है। गाइड तो बढ़िया था वैसे। गाइड तो सही था। हाँ
सही समझाया सब कुछ बढ़िया।
हाँ बैग्स कितने सुंदर हैं शिव जी वाले। छोटे बैग ऐसे रखने के लिए 250 के ये शायद सेल पे दिखा रहे थे। कैप
इसके पैंट ठीक कर देना।
क्या हो गया भूल गया क्या लाभ इधर इधर जाएगा
जूतियाँ
ये कुछ खास तो लग रहा है। ये नाइकी के जूते
लाल पीले ले लेंगे।
स्नीकर्स भी बढ़िया है।
तू जा रुक जाइयो बस देख देख
half that is not allowed to be written. That is the third bottle time. In Pashupatinath, lots of people they stand as a fasting. So this temple name is called Shiva Parvati. In the window we can see the two different statues. So white one is Shiva and blue one is Parvati. Yeah. And this one also collapsed by the earthquake. It was restoration 7 months ago. And that temple was Vishnu temple, which is totally collapsed. In 2015 and 25th of April in Nepal we had most of the temple collapsed. It was going to be built again. Yeah. And that is also part of the old palace. It was built in 17th century, 300 years old. But that one is survived by the earthquake. You can take a nice photo of the big statue of Shiva and Parvati.
Click photo from there.
Yes, you can see Navadurga, 9 incarnations of Parvati. We call Navadurga. You can climb up here.
Photos.
These are the painting we call Thanka Mandala. It seems that paper is not paper. It was painting on a cotton canvas by the monk. Some of the painting which is designed by Dalai Lama. And here is the art gallery. You can see. Before paint, people were chanting with a colorful sand. It was painting on a cotton. You want to check?
मम्मी कहाँ गई? फोटो खींच रही है? अरे आओ ना।
तो सामान देख रही है।
So, that one is a big bell of Kathmandu. It was used in the 17th century. In Nepal, we have so many ethnic groups, like in India. People who lived in Kathmandu Valley, they are called Mewar. That time, valley was divided in 3 kingdoms: Kathmandu, Patan, and Bhaktapur. Each city we have Darbar Square. We have 3 different kings. And at that time, we don't have newspaper, we don't have radio, and kings are not so friendly. If the Kathmandu king want to give a message for the public, somebody was going to climb up over there. That person was going to ring the bell. And all people, they noticed king was calling fierce. Then people are going to visiting inside palace. It was using for the communication in the emergency. But nowadays, every morning at 5, priest was going to ring the bell for the praying. And this temple was dedicated to Vishnu. It was under construction, which is totally collapsed by the earthquake. And this one is the Saraswati, goddess of education. And that one is a Krishna temple. It was restoration 2 years ago. That is also fall down by the earthquake. And top of the column, in the middle, you can see the biggest statue. He is the last king of Kathmandu, King Pratap Malla, with his 2 wives and son. And above his head, you can see the Sheshnag to protect to him. You understand? And here you can see and people offering the prasad. And after worshipping, after finish, and people they have the prasad each other.
ये भी कह देना। तो विदेश भी बता देगा, विदेश भी तो बता देगा। ये विदेश का, हाँ विदेश का भाई है, ये बता देगा विदेश का।
Inside we can see the two huge drums. It's called Nagada.
Nagada.
It was using in a Dasera festival in Navaratri. When priest was going to rang the drums, and all people are going to visiting in a Durga temple. Later I would like to show you Durga temple. And now we are going to see Kal Bhairav. White, okay? And this one is Kal Bhairav. Made from one stone.
ले भाई काल भैरव देख
Made from one single stone.
वन सिंगल स्टोन में अच्छे बनाया हुआ है
Let's call the god of judge, the god of
गॉड ऑफ
justice.
काल भैरव जय श्री राम
ये क्या हो रहा है? ये रे
In Nepal, we have a two different types of Hindu temple. This type of temple we call dome, like a mosque. Temple was dedicated to Shiva. Middle one is Pagoda, the naval activity. Temple was dedicated to Vishnu. And that's called Shiva temple. That type of temple we call the Shikhara, like a peak of Mount Everest. That temple is very famous for the fertility. When couples goes for married, since long time no pregnant, no baby. Those types of couples will come to praying over here. Okay? And last temple, that is one of the biggest temple of Kathmandu Square. Temple name is called the Taleju. Taleju Bhavani. I heard in India we call the Tulaja Bhavani. In Nepal we call the Taleju.
Tulaja, what is Tulaja?
Taleju was dedicated to Durga temple.
Achha.
That temple is survived by the earthquake. It doesn't fall down. It was built in 17th century. Temple height is nearly 40 meter height. Okay? So this is the main temple where you choose the Kumari, what I told you. She has been placed inside. She must have to watch animal sacrifice. She must have to stay whole night. And this temple, it opens for the public once or one time, only one day. In Navaratri festival.
जैसे अपना
And this is also part of the palace, white one. It was restoration 6 months ago. That's why it looks very new. Yeah. All is, yeah.
और the palace
Yeah.
is also
That one is survived, but this one. And now we are going to see Hanuman statue. Let me explain to you.
What is that temple?
Last temple is called Small Pasupati temple. People who doesn't have time to visit main Pasupati temple, those people,
They can visit here.
On top of the main gate, we can see beautiful statue of Shiva with a Trishul, trident, with a Nandi.
12 बजे
It still is open.
close now.
It's closed, but people are going to have it.
मजा आ रहा है आपको?
आ रहा है
Alright.
This one is, no, this one is survived. It doesn't fall down. This is temple for some. So this temple, this place name is called Hanuman Dhoka. Hanuman is the word is called this called a month back. That's why this big festival Tuesday and Saturday is big celebration is going on there. Dhoka, yeah, Dhoka means door, which is the main entrance gate of the palace. Inside the palace nowadays we have personal collection museum about our present king's grandfather. His name is called Tribhuvan. When you get up in international airport, he's also best friend of the Jawaharlal Nehru. But now that museum is closed. You can visit some part of the palace. Inside we have washroom as well. Can I have your ticket?
We're going to see. We are going to check the tickets.
Yeah.
Also for you.
You can see the part of the old palace. It was 350 years old. You can take a nice photo. You can make a video as well. And please be careful when you are going down. It could be slippery.
यहाँ का जो डिजाइन अलग ही इंडियन से
It's local design.
लोकल इंडिया में ऐसे डिजाइन नहीं होते पुराने
India in
तो
Sikara.
ये टॉयलेट
This one is for the female.
इधर आजा इधर मेल का हो रहा है तो नहीं बहुत
And you can take nice